Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to record voiceovers natively inside of Davinci Resolve. So if you're ready to learn how to do that, I'm ready to show you. Let's get into the video.
Our subject today, a small tortoise. He appears to be camera shy as he moves away from the photographer as he eats his food.
So before we even open Davinci for this one, we're going to need to make sure that our recording settings are correct on our PC. What we're going to do for this is come on down to our search bar, type in sound, go ahead and click on sound settings. We're going to click on device properties for our input, our microphone here, and then we're going to click on additional device properties. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to get a little separate window that pops up. In here, we're going to go over to advanced, click on our default format, and make sure that that's at 48K hertz. Then you're going to hit apply if you need to apply it, then OK, and then we're going to go ahead and open up Resolve. Now that we're here inside of Resolve, we've got our turtle clips set up. All you have to do at this point, and it is this easy, is pop on over to Fairlight, find the clip that you're working with, which is right here, and then if you look up in this upper right corner, you'll see a preview of your actual clip here. And then once you have this showing up, what you want to do is come over to where it says Audio 1, drop down beneath that, go ahead, give it a right click, add a track. We're going to do a stereo track. And you're going to want to make sure you have Audio 2 selected so it's easier to see over here. And then where it says No Input, you're going to go ahead and click that down to Input. And then we've got our microphone, and our microphone, this will make sure that it's stereo if it can be through your microphone, and then you want that going to audio 2 and audio 2, left and right channels, because we are going to be recording on the audio 2 track. Once those are all highlighted, go ahead and click on patch, and once you've clicked patch, you can go ahead and close this. We're going to click on this little R for record here on our audio 2. Once we make sure that this R is selected, we're going to go ahead and click on this little record button right here, and then it will play forward while we record our voiceover over the clip that we're watching. And if you get this red bar that live updates as you speak, you get to see where it's showing up on your clip, you're good to go. You've got everything you need to get. You just hit stop, and it will stop the recording, and then you have a voiced over clip. It's seriously that easy. So then if we watch this back, you've got a voiceover clip. And there you go. Take that information, make some nature documentaries, make some whatever else you do with voiceover. I don't know, if you have an idea, go make it. That's this video. I'll see you guys again next Thursday. Until then, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.